Hello, glad to see you guys. I feel a little hungry after watching this amazing video. Wow, really? Yes. Hey, take it easy. I'm using our company's stainless steel lunchbox. Maybe you should take one and have a try. Wow, really? Yes. Don't you think this stainless steel lunchbox pretty cool in look and it is also eco-friendly? Yes. Oh, what's it? Oh, stainless steel lunchbox is a zero practice and PVC free and BPA free. It is a very durable and give you many years of reliable use. Wow, really? Oh, what's it? Just put some water inside. Yes, then close the lid. Yes. And shape different angle. Yes. The tissue is dry and no water spit out. Wow! Yes, if you want to take some salad dressing, sauce and dip, and you can use the mini container with the silicone lid. It is perfect for them and also can be put in the box too.